In this video, we will discuss what data-driven decision-making is. Let's start the video. Data-driven decision-making, or DDDM, is an approach that emphasizes using data and analysis instead of intuition to inform business decisions. It involves leveraging data sources, such as customer feedback, market trends, and financial data to guide the decision-making process. By gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data, organizations can make better decisions that more closely align with business goals and objectives. To fully embrace data-driven decision-making, organizations must establish a culture that fosters critical thinking and curiosity at all levels, enabling informed decisions based on evidence and insights derived from comprehensive data analysis. The goal is to encourage all employees to question and investigate information, leading to the discovery of valuable insights that drive action. Data provides a solid foundation for making decisions, reducing uncertainty and increasing confidence. Why is data-driven decision-making important? Data-driven decision-making is important because it enables you to make decisions based on facts rather than biases. If you're in a leadership position, making objective decisions is the best way to remain fair and balanced. The most informed decisions stem from data that measures your business goals and is populated in real time. You can aggregate the data you need to see patterns and make predictions with reporting software. Some decisions you can make with support from data include how to drive profits and sales, how to establish good management behavior, how to optimize operations, how to improve team performance. 6 key steps of data-driven decision-making. Making smart decisions based on data is a powerful way to guide your business in the right direction. Data-driven decision-making follows a clear 6-step process. Set your goals, gather the right data, organize and explore it, analyze it for insights, make decisions based on what you find, and finally, put those decisions into action while tracking how well they work. Here's how to walk through each step effectively. Step 1. Define your goals. Start by understanding the company's goals and what you're trying to achieve. What problems do you need to solve? What choices are on the table? Getting clear on your purpose helps you focus your efforts and collect the right data. Step 2. Find and gather data. Next, look into where you can find useful data. This could be from internal systems, customer feedback, or industry reports. Work with your teams to make sure you're collecting the data that fits your goals. Use the right tools to gather it in a clean, reliable way. Step 3. Organize and explore the data. Once you have the data, organize it so it's easy to read and understand. Use charts or dashboards to explore what's inside. This step helps you get familiar with the data and spot any early patterns or surprises. Step 4. Analyze the data. Now it's time to dig deeper. Use analysis tools and techniques to find trends, patterns, or connections in the data. This helps you turn raw numbers into useful insights you can actually use for decision-making. Step 5. Draw meaningful conclusions. After analyzing the data, figure out what it's telling you. Create a simple story or explanation that helps others understand the results. Sharing logical conclusions helps your team stay on the same page and move forward confidently. Step 6. Take action and review results. Use your conclusions to create a plan and put it into action. Keep an eye on how it's working. Is it helping you reach your goals? Regularly review the results and adjust your approach if needed. This step keeps your strategy fresh and effective. By following these 6 steps, your organization can make smarter, more confident decisions that are backed by real data, not just guesses. Tools and techniques for data-driven decision-making. Below are some of the most useful tools and methods that can help guide your decisions in a more accurate and confident way. 1. Data collection tools. Before you can make any decision, you need the right data. These tools help gather it. Google Forms or Typeform. Great for collecting feedback, surveys, or opinions from customers or employees. CRM systems, like Salesforce, Zoho, help track customer behavior, sales, and interactions in one place. Web analytics tools, like Google Analytics, show how users interact with your website, what pages they visit, and where they drop off. 2. Data storage and management tools. Once you collect data, you need to store and organize it safely and neatly. The following tool can help. Excel or Google Sheets. Easy for small datasets and quick calculations. Databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL. Better for managing large and complex data. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. Store and manage huge amounts of data securely with easy access. 3. Data visualization tools. These tools turn raw numbers into easy-to-understand charts and graphs. Tableau, a powerful tool to create interactive dashboards and visuals. Power BI, Microsoft's tool for creating detailed visual reports. Looker or Google Data Studio, free or paid options for building dashboards and reports from live data sources. 4. Data analysis techniques. These methods help you break down data and find useful patterns. Descriptive analytics looks at past data to understand what has already happened. Predictive analytics uses data to forecast what might happen in the future. Diagnostic analytics digs into the why behind a trend or problem. Prescriptive analytics suggests what steps to take next based on the data. 5. Statistical and AI tools. These tools help dig deeper for complex insights. R or Python programming languages are used for advanced data analysis, modeling, and automation. Machine learning models, AI techniques that can predict outcomes, group data, or detect unusual patterns. A/B testing tools, like Optimizely or Google Optimize, help compare two versions of something like a web page or ad to see which performs better. 6. Decision-making frameworks. These help structure your thinking so decisions are made based on facts, not guesses. SWOT analysis. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats using data. Decision trees. Visual maps that help you weigh different options based on outcomes. KPI dashboards. Track important numbers in real time to monitor performance and make faster decisions. If you find the video helpful, please like it, which will be very helpful for me. Now, come to examples of data-driven decision-making. While data analysis happens behind the scenes, its impact is visible in everyday experiences. Here are a few real-world examples from different industries. Commerce. Ever noticed how online stores suggest items you might like? That's data at work. Platforms like Amazon track what you view, click, and buy. Based on this behavior, they recommend products tailored to your interests, helping you find what you need faster, often before you even search for it. Healthcare. Hospitals and clinics use electronic health records to spot trends in patient symptoms, treatments, and outcomes. This helps doctors make better diagnoses and treatment plans. Drug companies also use data to speed up research, analyzing massive amounts of medical info to discover new medicines more efficiently. Finance. Banks and financial firms rely on data to manage risk and understand customers. By looking at past trends, they can predict potential risks before making big decisions. They also group customers by income, habits, and preferences to find and target the most valuable clients. Transportation. In the transportation sector, data helps improve safety. For example, the U.S. Department of Transportation analyzes crash data, weather reports, and road conditions to find out what's causing accidents. This enables them to establish more effective safety rules and improve road safety for everyone. Data-driven decisions are shaping how businesses work, helping them act smarter, faster, and more effectively. Benefits of data-driven decision-making. Using data to guide decisions can help businesses work smarter, serve customers better, and grow faster. Here are some key benefits. 1. Better customer experience. Data helps businesses understand what customers want and how they behave. This means you can offer more personalized services, solve problems quicker, and build stronger relationships, all of which lead to happier customers and higher sales. 2. Smarter strategic planning. With clear data, teams can set realistic goals and make informed decisions. It also brings everyone on the same page, improving teamwork and keeping the company focused on shared goals. 3. Spotting new opportunities. Analyzing trends in data can reveal new markets, customer needs, or areas where your business can improve. This helps you stay competitive and grow in the right direction. 4. Greater efficiency and lower costs. Data shows where time or money is being wasted. By addressing those areas, you can enhance workflow, utilize resources efficiently, and lower costs, particularly through accurate demand forecasting. 5. More reliable forecasting. Data-driven forecasting leads to better planning. For example, using AI to predict supply chain needs can reduce errors, minimize waste, and prevent missed sales. Let's move on to challenges in implementing data-driven decision-making. Using data to make decisions can greatly improve business performance, but it also comes with some real challenges. Here are the key ones. 1. Poor data quality. If the data is incomplete, outdated, or inconsistent, it can lead to wrong conclusions and poor decisions. Reliable, well-organized data is essential for getting accurate insights. 2. Data privacy and security. With more data being collected, protecting it becomes more difficult. Any misuse or breach can compromise customer trust and lead to legal consequences under laws such as GDPR or CCPA. 3. Resistance to change. Shifting to a data-driven approach often faces pushback from employees who are used to traditional decision-making. This cultural barrier can slow down adoption. 4. Managing large volumes of data. Big data brings valuable insights but also technical challenges. Storing, processing, and analyzing massive amounts of data requires strong infrastructure and smart systems. While DDDM offers big advantages, understanding and addressing these challenges is crucial for making it work in the real world. If you want to read it or download the PDF, go through the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Educationleaves.